two pieces you do not want to miss. And we are moving right on into another beautiful collection from Roberto. Every one of these, there are 3 items under this matrix, they're all customer picks. So first of all, the ring 4.3 stars. We'll go through all the different color choices available because we have all of them for you. And the ring, 5 through 10, the sizes. And this is the infinity link design, so obviously a symbol of love, everlasting style. And then the island of Capri is what really inspired all of the different colors. So the same thing with the earrings. The earrings down in the front that were $39. Oh, and by the way, the ring is $14.95. The earrings that were $39.95 are $19.95. I love these earrings. And the earrings, by the way, are 1 3/4 inches by 3/8 of an inch wide. And here you can see all of the colors that we'll go through. But then I also want to mention the necklace, because the necklace as well, 4-star customer pick at hsn.com. $69.95 for the necklace. It's $29.95. So here again, this is what Roberto is known for, mixing these beautiful leather-like cords with these amazing centerpieces. And here, check that out. I mean, look at the size of this gorgeous infinity necklace. I'm gonna slip this one on in a minute. Oh, I just knocked them all over. But anyway, I'm gonna slip it on and I'm making a mess with everything today. But in any event, you have the opportunity to wear it in a set, which number one, we love, because I love that opportunity to keep that same consistency in theme and design. So the pendant has that as we said, that really beautiful overlocking infinity design right in the center. And then all of the different cords. Okay, so the light blue and the white across the board are the most limited. I'm just gonna slip this out. I think I can get this one. Oh, I got it. Thank you, honey. But let me give you, we'll go through all of the different choices. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. So I just put it on in the coral. The other choices that you have, so here it is in the coral color. Pretty, oh, can you see it? Da-da-da-da. There you go. Now you can. It's a lot there. Okay, so the other choices that we have, you have this beautiful olive green. I'm going to do this again, so I'm going to hold them. We have it in black, and we have it available for you in that gorgeous navy blue, right? You can see that with the gold tone. And then we have it also in white. We have it in black. We have it in, we have the navy, and then we have the light blue. That's it, right? That's all I believe we have left. So that's all we have available for everyone. So really, really limited. Again, in the gold tone, we have the gold tone in the orange I'm wearing, in the black, in the green, and in the denim blue, in the gold tone. And then in the silver tone, we have light blue, navy, black, and white. And first of all, just even the pendant on the bottom of this is about 2 and, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. There we go. 2 1/16 of an inch in length. We have only 2 minutes on it. So the whole ensemble, again, every one of these are customer picks at the full price. This is the first time we have ever lowered it. Earrings, we only have 500 pair total across the board, and that's with all the different colors. The earrings, again, are designed for the pierced ears, and I will show you in just a moment the close-up shot of the earrings, because the earrings, I think, are so beautiful. So a combination of the look, the design, the style of all of the pieces. And here down, when you look at the earrings in the gold tone, we have them in your navy blue. We have them in the gold tone also available, thank you, in the black and in the red. So that, and they're your color choices. So it's your navy blue, your black, and your red in the gold tone. And then in the silver tone, we have it in your navy, we have it in your black, and we have it in your light blue. This is all done in enamel, completely done with the enamel center. And then as you can see, I'm sorry, what was that again, Ari? Okay, the light blue earring and the navy earring, we have only 20 left. Wow, we talk about all of our fabulous denim matching pieces to go with that. Earrings are also, as we talked about, beautiful, beautiful length. of 1 3/4 inches in length, yet they're lightweight. I love the curved shape to them, that they will lay flat against the ear. They are designed for the pierced ears, but even if you're wearing your hair up, you can see that you still have the continuation of the design on the back. Great value, incredible value on the earrings, incredible value on the ring, and on, of course, the necklace. There it is, the necklace as well. And everything, as we said, that Roberto does, it's all about the finest in detail. He is the epitome of high-end couture fashion in all of his jewelry.